Hey, welcome to another tutorial by Chemitech Corporation. My name is Carlos and I'll be teaching today how to edit or add or change the 3G modem, USB modem, the profile, so you can actually put the information from your carrier. Okay, so we're past the installation part. We passed the installation. We already finished installing the 3G modem to our computer. Now if you're using a Mac, when you plug it in, it will open a new window with the image file, or you just show CD icon on the top right hand corner or wherever there's a space available. And if you're using a PC, when you plug it in, automatically it starts to install. Okay, so you're good to go. This item actually is a plug and play, so you just follow the steps after you double click on it or after it starts installing. Okay, so we're past that point, and right now we already have it installed and we already have it plugged in the computer with the SIM card inside, the one that we're going to use. Okay, so at that point, all we have to do right now is just, if you're using a Mac, go to applications, and if you're using a PC, go to your start and Windows and all programs, and you should see there the logo for the software. Okay, so over here we're going to use the this is the little logo, the little movie star logo. We're going to open the software that we just installed to make the 3G modem works, and I'll show you how to get around the software so you can actually edit or add the profile that you need to have the right settings to connect to the internet. So here's the available. Once you open the software, automatically it will try to recognize and connect to the available network, which means the SIM card that you installed and inserted, that actual data plan. It will try to connect. As you can see here, it shows here registered on 3G, and it shows here on top the carrier that I have with the SIM card. Okay, that's AT&T. And here on the left side, you can actually see that it's on 3G, and there's 3 bars out of 5. Okay, we have created a new profile called Sprint, but most likely when you connect, it will say Movie Star Internet, and I'm going to show you right now how to change that. Okay, so we go to the top right hand corner here where there's a little wrench. Okay, it's the settings button, so we're going to click on it. When the new window's open, you can see here the tabs, option, display devices. You can actually later on just play around with these. I don't encourage you to it because I don't know if you change the settings or something, you might mess it up. But if you click on the middle one, the separated one, it says My Internet Connections. You click on it, it should have exactly like this. You should actually have it just like this, Movie Star Internet as default. And then we're going to create a new profile. On the top here, profile name, we're going to click on, we're going to put whatever name that we need to create. Like in my case, mine is with AT&T, so I'm going to put AT&T as the name of the profile so I can know which one to choose. And username and password, if it is provided by you, by the carrier, if you do need to change it right here. Just click on it and put whatever information it is. If there is none, if you were told to left it blank, just leave it blank. Okay. On the profile here for the APN, when you click up APN, it will show here APN. This is the most important part. So let's say for AT&T is att let's say yahoo.net. Let's say that's the address for the profile. That's the APN profile. All you're gonna do is right now click on save. You don't need to play with the other ones, and you should see here AT&T, the one that we just added. And if you go to the bottom, you click on make default. Every time you open the program, this is gonna be the default profile that you're gonna connect. Okay, so that way you don't have to come here every once in a while and change the profile. And if you need to edit later on or even delete it, you can just click here and edit it below here. Now the option is not available to us right now because we just added it, so we can actually delete it. We don't want to do that. Okay, so after that, you just close it. You should see here the profile, it changed. It's AT&T, and there's 3 bars just like that as it is, and our status is disconnected. Okay, so once we finish doing the profile, if you click on connect, you're gonna see that it's gonna connect to your network. Okay, now if the information is correct, you see here it's connecting. If the information is correct, it will connect, and after that is done, it would show here connected. Okay, in our case, the profile information is not correct. We did not put the correct profile information, so you will not connect. It will give an error. Okay, I'm just doing this for show purposes. So let's give it a couple of minutes so that this can actually finish, so we can see the error message. And meanwhile that's going on, we can see here that we can save contacts to the SIM card. Here's some information from the movie star provided that we don't need to use that. Wi-Fi areas and all of that, we don't need it. Now as you can see, we did not connect because that's not the correct information, and it says here network connection, that the PPP information for the server is not correct. So just click OK, that's fine. So that's basically what it is. Just it would automatically recognize here on top. It will show you here the device, the network technology, the operator, and on the left hand side it will give you how many bars you have. So always try to watch out for that. If you have low bars, chances are it's going to be a little slower, but if you have good bars, it will connect and the internet connection will be great. Okay, so the status is disconnected because we don't have the right information, and I don't have a data plan on the SIM card that we're using today. This is just for show purposes. So just go over it again. You plug in the device, you open the software, it will automatically recognize the network that you're using. After here we go to the settings, and then after the settings we just click on the my internet connections, create a new profile or edit the one that we have here, just change the name or whatever. I suggest you create a new one. After done that, close it and then connect to whatever it is, the information. Okay, if you don't have any questions, and I would really appreciate for you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Otherwise you can always send a message through YouTube or access our website at camitech.com. Okay, thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you learned something, and I hope you actually have fun with the modems that we're gonna sell. And if we have helped you, I'm glad. So have a great day, and thank you once again for watching.